Welcome to Talk Flow English, where you learn English through real, clear, and dynamic conversation.
Hey guys, welcome back to Talk Flow English. I'm Jessica and I'm so excited you are here. Today's episode is mission.com. We're going to talk about something really basic, but powerful. How many times have you said, I want this, or I want that? Well, what if I told you there's a smarter way to say it, like a native?
Wait, what's wrong with saying I want? Isn't that normal?
Totally normal, Briam. But native speakers often avoid repeating it. Instead, they use phrases like, I'd love to, I feel like, I'm in the mood for, or even just, I could go for.
Oh, that actually sounds more natural. Can we hear some examples?
Of course. Listen to these two sentences. I want a coffee. I could go for a coffee. Which one sounds more native to you?
The second one. I could go for a coffee. Sounds like I'm chill, not like I'm begging.
Exactly. And it works in conversations. Imagine you're with friends and someone says, hey, I'm in the mood for pizza, or I'd love a burger right now. See the difference?
Okay, let me try. I feel like watching a movie. Boom. Did I do it?
Yes, you nailed it. That's exactly how we build fluency. Another trick. Instead of saying, I want to go, you can say, I'm thinking about going. I might head out. I'm planning to go.
This is gold, and it makes me sound less robotic. But I have a question. What if I do want to be direct?
Great point. You can absolutely say I want, just don't only use it. Native speakers love variety, and that's what makes speech sound flowy.
So today's lesson is stop saying just I want all the time. Mix it up. Use phrases like I'd love to, I feel like, I could go for, I'm thinking about.
Yes, and now we want you, yes, you listening, to try them out loud. Repeat after me, I'm in the mood for learning more English.
I'm in the mood for tacos, but I'll learn English first.
That's fair. Thanks for listening to today's episode of Talk Flow English.
If you like this one, don't forget to follow, comment, or send us a voice message. And remember, don't just study English, live it. See you in the next episode. If you like this episode, hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment. Tell us, what's one phrase in fast English that confused you the first time? We'll talk about it in the next episodes.